Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Viva College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Dear students, let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. Neetu Vishwajit Singh, lecturer of English, working in this college since last 10 years. Dear students, this channel will help you to access all the English lectures of diploma course prescribed by Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education at your own ease. So, before we will start with prescribed lectures, let me brief you about the textbooks and exam pattern. Yes, these are the books which is prescribed by MSBT for English for the first semester. You will have English workbook with the subject code 22101, and then you will have practical manual of English with the same subject code 22101. Okay, in English workbook you will have all the theoretical content, that is you're going to get grammar topics, various grammar topics are there, and then you will have comprehensive passages, then writing skills. To enhance all your skills, it will be there in this workbook, and this book will be used during theory lecture. Okay, then you will have practical hours in which you are going to get you have to use this book, that is practical manual. In practical manual, you will have assignment pages which during practical I will explain you the content, the practical, and then I'll assign you some task to perform on this book. You have to perform and then you have to get it checked, and after every practical you're going to get marks out of 10, and that marks will be ultimately counted in your final exam. That you'll come to know when I'll talk about the exam pattern. Okay, so these are the two books. Now let me brief you about the exam pattern. Okay, this is for English paper. In your English paper, you will have to write theory exam of 100 marks. Then you have to give practical exam of 50 marks. This 150 marks again will be distributed, and let me explain you what is it. At the end of the semester, that is ESE, end semester exam, there will be theory exam of 70 marks. Okay, as I told you, you have to give theory exam of 100 marks. At the end of the semester, theory exam in which the question paper will come from board, you have to give exam for 70 marks. In between the semester, means in between the first semester, you have to face two class test 1 and class test 2, and both the class test will be of 20 marks each. Okay, in which whatever marks you will score in class test 1 and class test 2, that total marks ultimately will be converted into 20 marks. Okay, converted out of 20 marks. I mean average of 50%. Whatever the total score you will secure in class test 1 and class test 2, the total 50% of the total will be given to you in the form of end semester exam progressive assessment. Okay, this class test 1 and 2 comes in progressive assessment. So this 20 marks, and then you will have a micro project part which you will do throughout the semester. I mean at the beginning of the term you are going to get topics for micro project. Teachers of each subject will give you micro project which you have to do, and there will be a format that teacher will provide you. On the base on the same format you have to submit it, and you have to submit it on time, and that micro project will be judged out of 10. So total 20 and 10. This 30 marks will be added in your final theory marks. That becomes 100. 70 plus 20 plus 10. This is 100 for theory. Now let me explain you about practical. Okay, in practical, ultimately at your final mark sheet, you're going to get marks out of 50. But to get 50 marks, there will be practical PA, that is progressive assessment practical. Progressive assessment means where I show you the textbook, that manual, English practical manual, in which I told you that I'm going to give you some assignments. You have to do it and it will be checked and marked out of 10. Each assignments will be marked out of 10. There will be total 12 assignments you have to complete. Okay, and out of 12 you're going to get in all the 12 assignments you're going to get marks out of 10 each. Okay, then those total marks will be converted in 25 marks. I mean 120 marks total out of 120, whatever you will get will be converted into 25 marks at the end of the term. And then at the end of the semester, okay, end semester exam, there will be a practical exam based on the practicals you have performed throughout the semester, and that exam will be out of 25. So this 25 and this progressive assessment 25 marks total will become 50 marks. So I hope I have made the exam pattern very clear to you. With this hope, I'll wind up this PPT and welcomes you in my lectures, okay, which will be followed by this PPT. Thank you. Thank you all.